Hello kids, welcome to our channel Fun Factory. And today in this video we'll be sharing some vocabulary for bakery. So let's start the video. Bread, French bread, cheese, burger, pie, cake, sandwich, donut, cookies, pizza, rusk cake, eggs, drumsticks, chicken tikka stick, gulab jamun, rasgulla, kheer, rasmalai, crackers, baguettes, croissants, pastry, pretzel, jalebi, churros, cream puff, hot dog bun, burger bun, sponge cake roll, tootsie. Thank you for watching the video. Share, like, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Bye.